In this lesson, you will learn to perform some of the common REVIT architecture tasks that are included in this course. After you are familiar with these tasks, it will be easier to work in REVIT architecture and focus on the concepts. First, let's resize elements using drag controls. Click the menu browser and then select Open. Then, from the Training Files Imperial folder, open the file RACUB02 Common Tasks. To the left of the drawing area, you see the project browser. Inside the project browser, you'll see a list of views, legends, schedules and quantities, sheets, families, groups, and REVIT links. The name of the current view is displayed in boldface. Under Views and under Floor Plans, double-click Second Floor Construction. When the view opens, type ZR and zoom in on the upper left corner of the floor plan. Then, select the lower wall of the room in the corner. The small blue dots that display on both ends of the wall are drag controls. Click and drag the left control, moving the cursor to the left horizontally to lengthen the wall. To shorten the wall, click and drag the left control, moving the cursor to the right. To deselect the wall, click in the drawing area. Next, we'll take a look at moving an element. Right-click in the drawing area and select Zoom to Fit. Then, right-click in the drawing area again and select Zoom in Region. Then, zoom into the area where you can see the couch and the table. Then, select the table. When you do, a new tab called Modify Furniture displays. From the Modify panel of the Modify Furniture tab, click Move. Then, bring your cursor to the drawing area and into a blank spot. Notice the status bar on the very bottom left corner of the application window reads, "Click to enter Move Start Point." To specify the start point for the move, click the lower left endpoint of the table. Now, if you move the cursor, the status bar reads, "Click to enter Move Endpoint." To do so, click next to the lower wall, as shown. When you do, the table moves down and the lower left corner is placed at the move endpoint. Another way to move an element is to select it and then drag it to a new location. Select the plant and drag it to the top of the table. Next, to undo the last move, press Ctrl Z. Then press Ctrl Z again to undo the move of the table as well. Now let's learn about ways of ending a command. From the Home tab, on the Model panel, click Model Line. Then, click in the drawing area to start the line, and click again to end the line. One line gets drawn, and the line command is still active. One way to end the line command is to choose or start another command. Another way to end a command is to click Modify on the selection panel. Click Model Line again and draw another line. Yet another way to end a command is by pressing the Escape key twice. Close the file without saving it, as that concludes this lesson.